How to optimize OTR2 for a low-end Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If the OTR2 feels slow or lags on your Android device, whether you are using a smartphone or tablet, here are a few simple adjustments you can make in order to improve its performance. The first thing you want to do is to close off any background apps. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and bring up the app switcher. Make sure that you close off any background running apps if you have any. Simply go ahead and swipe upwards on the app and make sure that the only app running at the moment is OTR2. Once you go ahead and close off the background running apps, this will free up memory and gives OTR2 more resources to run smoothly. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type in OTR2. Now from the search results, find the OTR2 game and look if there is an update button available. If you see the update button, tap on it. If you want to auto update or enable auto update for OTR2 whenever it receives an update, go to the top right corner, tap the three dots, and make sure that you've checked this enable auto update button. So right after you do that, you'll be able to update to the latest version of the game whenever it is available. And now you can go ahead and launch the game open and enjoy. If the problem still persists, then the next thing you want to do is to restart your device. Simply go ahead and restart your Android device to clear temporary files and refresh system resources before using OTR2. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection. A stable internet can improve loading times and reduce interruptions while using OTR2. So that's it. Those were some of the steps you can take in order to optimize OTR2 for low-end devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.